Hi dear students, today we will be learning to do iodine clock reaction. It is a very famous experiment which has been doing up to now in many schools and laboratories. The purpose for doing this experiment is to teach the students about the kinetic theory of molecules. It is a very famous lesson on physics and chemistry. Kinetics is basically the method which the molecules take in a chemical reaction so that which one wins and takes the first place to show the reaction. It is also used in a lesson called rates of chemical reaction. Here the materials required for the experiment are cornstarch powder. If you are doing this experiment in a laboratory, then you can use a normal starch, which is the chemical one available at your labs. Iodine solution, which is the normal one which you can get from the pharmacy. If not, you can just do in the school lab, you can use the potassium iodide. Hydrogen peroxide, commonly known everywhere in the lab and in pharmacies you can get it. 2 crystal clear glasses, measuring spoons, a stirrer since I'm doing the experiment at home so I can use a spoon, water, 2 more glasses for adding our solutions and mixing it. So here you can see I have already put the vitamin C tablet here. I have used vitamin C tablet and I am using the effervescent one because it is much more easy to dissolve in water as crushing the normal tablets and then waiting to stir it until it is completely dissolved. So the effervescent one is much strong. Here is a 1 tablet of effervescent which I have put into it. My second glass contains a solution of starch and water. I have added quarter glass with water and then added about 1.5 teaspoon of corn starch and made a solution. It is cloudy but not thick, liquidy. Then what I need to do is I'm going to take my 2 glasses. I'm going to say it as glass A and glass B. Let's start with glass A. In glass A I'm going to add water up to quarter glass, which is this much, and let's add in glass B also at the same time so that you're done with the water part. Now I will be taking a teaspoon of iodine and adding into my glass A. As you can see, the color of the iodine is brown and mixing in the water it looks like oranges and brownish still. Okay, this is still glass A. I added water, iodine about 1 teaspoon, and now I'm going to do the method of titration. That is, give a circular motion to the iodine and add just drop by drop my vitamin C solution or ascorbic acid till the color changes to clear or yellow. I want the brown color to disappear. You can see this, only that much. We don't want to add more, just so that the brown color disappears. This is our solution A ready. Now is the time with solution B. As you know, in solution B I had added quarter glass of water. Into it I am going to add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide solution. One stir. Now we come back to our starch. Here I am going to add again 1 teaspoon of starch solution. Since I don't want the contamination to take place, I am using half teaspoon, which I am going to be using twice. Give a nice shake to it and then 1, 2. Shake. Looks cloudy clear. Now is the time to join your B and A together by shaking it about 2 to 3 times and leaving it for a minute. Here I repeat, in solution B you have water, quarter glass, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide solution and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch solution. In solution A we had put quarter glass of water, 1 teaspoon of iodine, and I added as per the titration method of vitamin C till the color turns brown, because I don't want to add vitamin C in excess. The two type of molecules that are present in the method of kinetic theory are vitamin C as ascorbic acid molecules, and here the molecules are hydrogen peroxide, H2O2 with starch. Let's see by joining them what happens. Three, and that's it. You can leave it aside and just observe it. We are not changing the time of the video. We are not doing anything. Within less than 1 minute, you will be able to see the reaction. No need to stir, no need to do anything, and see the color changes directly into blue-black. This is called the iodine clock reaction test. There is something else that you can do. Turn it back into its color. How can you turn the blue-black back into its color? Just by adding more of vitamin C into it. So I'll be using my stirrer now. Give a shake and add my vitamin C or ascorbic acid normally into it. And the solution tries to turn back into its color. But after some time, it will again turn into blue-black. Reason for it is, the vitamin C is going to, the molecules of vitamin C will try to fight against the starch, iodine and hydrogen peroxide. After some time and the reaction, the ascorbic acid will reduce. Once it is reduced, it can turn back into its normal form, that is the blue-black color. So this is the method of kinetic theory, how the molecules fight with each other to take over the place, and the chemical rates of chemical reaction. This is what happens in an iodine clock reaction. Thank you for watching my video.